Well, good morning. How are you? Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's the day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday 2019. I'm here at my apartment. Actually, not at my apartment, outside my apartments. My apartment's actually up there. And 4 o'clock in the morning, cold front blew through, woke me up. I looked outside, torrential rain, and the wind was, I would say, at least 60 miles an hour. And here's your proof. Oh my goodness, this tree is down and uprooted. And I was watching the news and there were some trees down. And when I was looking outside at 4 a.m., I thought, wow, maybe some of these trees are going to blow down, but I didn't see that, the trees that I could see from my window. And I went out this morning. I'm going to run a quick errand or two, and took out some trash, and I've got Texas Tech Texas on the TV. I'll miss part of the first quarter when I get back, but I digress. And sure enough, we had a tree down here at the apartment. So I'm going to switch the camera around, and I'll show you more about some of this damage, because it might be bad news for a couple people. So here you go, full screen. This is how it looks. And we're just going to walk around here and show you what happened. And you can already start to see the big reveal coming. I don't know. I think there's some damage to this car. In fact, yes, there is. We've got bashed in hood here. So that's not good. And they're not going anywhere until they clean this up. And we have a Mustang under there somewhere. So let's take a look as we walk around some of these bushes here. Here's the rest of that tree. And it's kind of a jungle in there. Oh my goodness. I feel bad for these. This is going to be a hassle for them. I just had a car accident, so I kind of know what that's like. I'm going through the insurance process now. And so here's the Mustang. I don't see any damage on it, but I'll take a look back here. That's going to be close. Oh, there we go. Yeah. They're going to, yeah, that's not good. Well, an exciting time this morning. Gosh. And maybe too exciting for some folks. But I tell you what, man, that wind was whipping, as you can see. So I'm going to post this on my Tucson Weather Group on Facebook if you'd like to join me over there, and on my regular YouTube channel. So on to some Black Friday shopping sprees. Actually, I just got a couple things to get. No big Black Friday stuff. Talk to you soon.